I'm here to review the new CHULUX coffee brewer. Overall, it's a really nice color. I did run 2 waters through it. The bottom tray here comes out and you can then place it in for shorter. You do have to make sure that it is really established in here, especially on this side. Pressed in so it holds. This is made of plastic. It is secure. I'm going to make a pot of coffee. So you can see here in my cup the level of water. So you notice that the same amount comes out. You pour the water into the reservoir. You'll put your K-cup in here. Press it down, turn it on, and allow it.
Then it'll start pouring.
3 minutes.
Did you start clicking? Did you start as soon as you hit the button?
Yeah, I can just edit.
But I mean, you can.
Trato de prender esa greca, bota todo el agua. Le puse la servilleta para que puedan ver. Por la parte de abajo.
Bien, me gusta. Escúcheme. Mientras usted esté allá, la casa va a estar en vivo, lo que Dios quiere. Entonces, Pavetino, entonces usted hace su coro como usted y ya, pregunta cuál team tú eres.
Escuchaste ahora